What if I told you that your money could pay you back every single month without you lifting a finger? Imagine building a system where just owning the right stocks brings you cash flow for life. This isn't fantasy. It's dividend investing. And in 2025, 5 companies stand above the rest, ready to make investors richer than ever. Miss them now, and you could miss out on the simplest wealth hack of this decade. Let's dive in, starting with number 5, Johnson & Johnson. This healthcare giant has been paying dividends for over 60 years, and it's part of the elite group called Dividend Kings. Healthcare demand never goes away, and J&J keeps innovating in medicine, biotech, and consumer health. It's the kind of stock that survives recessions, pandemics, and economic shocks. If you want stability, J&J is the fortress you need. At number 4, Procter Gamble. Think about the everyday products you use. Tide, Gillette, Pampers, Head & Shoulders. P&G makes them all. It's a company built on habits, and habits mean recurring revenue. For more than 130 years, Procter & Gamble has been rewarding shareholders with consistent dividends. In uncertain times, consumer staples like P&G shine the brightest. Number 3, Coca-Cola. The brand is everywhere, from New York to Tokyo, from small towns to giant stadiums. Coca-Cola has been paying dividends for over half a century. But here's the secret. It's not just about soda. They own brands like Dasani, Minute Maid, and Costa Coffee. With global distribution and unmatched brand loyalty, Coca-Cola is one of the safest cash machines for passive investors. Coming in at number 2, PepsiCo. Yes, Coke's biggest rival. But Pepsi is more than drinks. They own Frito-Lay, Doritos, Quaker Oats, Gatorade. This diversity makes PepsiCo stronger and less dependent on one market. It has raised dividends for 50 consecutive years, proving it's not slowing down anytime soon. In 2025, Pepsi is still one of the best dividend growth stories out there. And finally, number 1, Microsoft. You might think of it as a growth stock, but Microsoft has quietly become a dividend powerhouse too. With its dominance in cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and software subscriptions, Microsoft generates massive free cash flow. The dividend might not be the highest, but it grows every single year. And when you combine that with stock price growth, you get one of the most powerful wealth-building machines in history. So those are the top 5 dividend stocks to buy in 2025. Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, Coca-Cola, PepsiCo, and Microsoft. Each one of them pays you to own them while growing stronger year after year. That's the magic of dividend investing, passive income, and long-term wealth creation. But remember, no investment is risk-free, so always do your own research before buying any stock. Which of these dividend giants is already in your portfolio? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance insights, and stay tuned for the next big investing opportunity.